In this video, I will show you how to see liked reels on Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So to see your liked reels, as you can see, we're here on Instagram. The first thing you're going to want to do is come to your profile page by pressing onto your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Now, once you're on your profile page, you want to come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to go into your settings. And in your settings, you want to come to the section which says how you use Instagram. Now in this section, it's going to be an option called your activity. What you want to do is give that a press. Then what you need to do in the interaction section at the top, you want to go ahead and press onto likes. So what it's going to do is bring up all the posts and reels and things like that you've liked. To find your liked reels, all you want to do is come up to the top and you just want to scroll along, and where it says all content types, give this box a press. So that's going to bring up a window at the bottom, and what you want to do is just go ahead and press reels and just basically untick the other things like posts and threads and things like that, and then press apply. Now once you've done that, it's going to refresh the page and it's going to show you all your liked reels on Instagram. So that's how to see liked reels on Instagram. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.